Hi guys, it's the LegalLockPicker, and today I have for you the Sparrows Black Flag Dimple Pick set. As you can see, it is still in the wrapper itself. I haven't actually opened it, but that's what we're going to do today. Before I start to do some dimple picks and going to go through the basics of dimple picking and things like that, I'd like to at least put this video up first, so that way we can go through what actually comes with the pack itself, and then that way we'll know what I'm using when that time comes. The set itself, it has 7 dimple picks and 9 wrenches, so that's a lot of stuff, and I think it's going to work out for most of the dimple locks that I come across here. Because the standard pin tumbler system is a lot different than the actual dimple pins themselves. You need things like curved tips, offset tips, small flags with pointers in one way or in the other way, and I think that's really important. And if you compare this set to the one that I first purchased, you're going to see that there is a huge number of differences, and really it's a quality of life issue, a quality of pick issue. And the more and more locks I come across, the more and more I realize the importance of a high quality tool. So that's what I'm hoping to find out today. One of the other good things about these is the handles themselves. So let's get into this and see what comes with it, shall we? I also got a lapel mic today, so hopefully the sound is a little bit better. I've got a lot of cool stuff coming up soon, so I really hope you guys stay and subscribe and share, and let other people enjoy the good quality work that you get to enjoy daily. Okay, so here it is. I haven't actually opened it, but here we go. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so these are the tension wrenches that I think they said there's 9, 3, 6, yeah, that come with this pack. And I've never seen a wrench like this before. I've just never seen anything like this. Partly because, not that I haven't seen this particular Z design, but I haven't actually seen this kind of thickness, and I'm interested in why they had them like this, and I'm going to get into that when I start picking, but I think this is really cool. These are really neat. I think Sparrows does a great job of giving the people what they want, supply and demand. So that's a really cool start. So we'll put those back in there. Let's see. Okay, so here is the first pick. I'm doing the best I can with the lighting here, but as you can see, it's a curved, it looks like, okay, so if I'm right-handed, it's curved to the right, so it's got a right curved thing itself. I'm trying to, let's see if we can, I'm sure you can see that. See how it's curved, and the flag is actually curved. Alright, that's not going to do you any good. Okay, there it is. So if you see, it kind of looks like, you know what? Another thing, if you watch Lockpicking Lawyer or Lock Noob or Helpful Lockpicker or any of those guys, even Bosnian Bill, you can see that one of the problems they had with other dimple picks, and I can actually show you, is that the shaft itself is circular. So even as a beginner, I can tell you that I even noticed that. So it must have been pretty bad if it was something that I noticed. I can tell you that the handle itself, I thought it would be heavier, and I thought it would be a little more uncomfortable than this, but I'll tell you what, this definitely has a very comfortable ergonomic design, so that's pretty cool. And we're going to remove the top layer. Oh, there's the bottom. Okay, so see, it's I am not quite sure. It's attached to something in there, so we'll have to live with that. Let's see. This one is offset left. Okay, so, alright. I mean, I just want to show you another dimple pick, because I think it's very important that you see the difference, because I really didn't think it would be this much of a difference, but it's absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. And also, guess what? If you look at the back of the pick, it's got their logo here, so that's cool too. One of the other things I've noticed, I'm starting to notice here, okay, is the length of the actual pick itself. Now I know that other testing has done that the metal for the pick itself, it actually goes all the way to the back. So, whereas other companies would have it stop right here, Black Flag Dimples, they go all the way to the back here, so that's actually good. And I will get my magnet out and take a look at that in further detail. So I'll put that back in here, and let's take I don't know, let's just take this one here. Okay, and this is the set that I was referring to. This is the set that I got earlier when I was a younger man, and when I mean a younger man, are months ago when I first started. And you can actually see the difference here. I don't know where the other one is, but we'll just have to do this one. See, they try to do a job of rounding this one off here, but see, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. And you can see itself. See how the top of this is the top of this flag is smaller, right? And you can actually see it's curved, right? And this one is not. Look at the bulky size of that. That is incredible. Look at that. So you can actually see how much time and effort went into designing these and then producing them. And so that is another reason why I was really excited to get these Black Flag dimple pick set. One of the other reasons why was I was scared of these dimple locks. Honestly, I'm just telling you how it is. I was nervous about these dimple locks, and I just didn't want to fall into the trap of, well, I'm not going to do it, so that way I can't fail at it. And that is just an absolute wrong way to look at it. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that anymore. And so I am going to attack these dimple picks until I get it. And that is the bottom line. So, if you guys are interested in getting it, I leave a link to the Sparrows website below, and you guys can pick up a kit. and follow, like, push the share button when it pops up, and let me know what you think in the comment section below, and stay tuned for more dimple pick locks. So take care, guys.